Booking a flight from the comfort of your own home usually ends 3 hours later with 19 tabs open, a pounding headache, and some rando on the internet telling you to use the incognito window and only book Tuesdays at 10 a.m. I also am some rando on the internet, but I hope this notepad, pen, and glasses make me look just a little bit more trustworthy. What if I could save you a headache and money by walking to the airport to buy a ticket in person? Yes, walking. Now, is this answer available on Google? Maybe. But instead of sitting here at my desk telling you what I Googled, let's go on an adventure. Learn some lessons, tell some stories, talk about cheap flights, and at the very least, I hope it inspires you to use your trotters just a little bit more today.
How far is it?
It's going to be a 9-mile walk.
9 mile walk.
Yeah.
What are you taking?
Snacks, most importantly.
Okay.
And a suitcase.
And you have a route? You know how to get there?
Google has directed me on a route.
Nothing good ever happened in little tunnels like this. Nothing good.
Yeah, it's a walking route, and it will not be on the highway.
Across this barrier. I think I can get over it with my suitcase. Let's see.
Not on the highway.
Yeah.
Okay. How long is this whole thing gonna take?
Google says it's going to take me 3 hours and 19 minutes. Clearly, Google doesn't know me. I'm a middle-aged man with a receding hairline who bases a lot of his self-worth on being an above-average exerciser.
Get some!
All right, so you just let me know when you get there?
Sure, this is not a practical way to travel to the airport. We all can't spend hours walking to the tarmac. I'm doing this because growth happens outside of one's comfort zone. I want to experience counterpoints to the mundane life behind screens. And of course, let you know if it's indeed cheaper to buy a ticket in person. It would be amazing if you hit the like and subscribe button, possibly out of pity or maybe the effort for storytelling. See how much rubbish I can collect out here on the streets. People just throw stuff, you know, driving. Like, I don't care. Well, I care. I'm gonna take care of it. This is Route 1 behind me. You don't really want to walk on Route 1. There's a lot of motels and traffic, and I never pictured myself walking on Route 1, especially at 40 with a suitcase, but here we are. All right, still going the right way. We are slightly behind on time because of the stopping and walking back and getting the camera and trying to create a story and all of that. Excuses, I know, so we'll pick it up. We'll walk faster. It's probably right where Allie would not want me to be. How's your day, babe? Oh, just, ran down Route 1. Holding the camera, filming myself.
Traveling by foot to the airport is a funny thing. I think all good adventures should have some time on the old dogs in them. The more walking, the better, really.
Just driving by, throwing stuff out of your car. And along comes a guy with a suitcase. Clean it all up. Personally, I think booking on Tuesdays and the incognito window, just a bunch of baloney. But hey, I just show up with the snacks. I think a crazy good sneaky tip is to actually read the comments on these cheap flight videos. So I need actual comments on this video on your best flight tips. Your best way to find cheap flights. Friends, right behind me right there, and just in front of me, an airport shuttle and a hotel. I think that means we are close if we're within shuttling distance. We're 2 hours and 26 minutes on the timer, so the goal of beating Google might not happen because of all the doubling back. But we're moving, friends. Beautiful day for a walk. Beautiful day to go to the airport. If you want a secret, a key, a tip to cheap travel, to something a little different, it's deliberate practice. Anything you put deliberate practice into will get better. Get out there and travel. And if you don't do that, then you end up at the same beach town, same cabin, or worst of all, not going anywhere. In the end, like the end, we are just the sum of our experiences. It's not about all the things we have. Drop a comment below about your most transformational travel experience. I've been here many times driving, but I'm not quite sure of the best way, pedestrian way, to get in. Friends, we're just about here. We're gonna figure out if it's actually cheaper to get your tickets at the airport. Like that Google, 3 hours and 16 minutes, and that was with doubling back.
You made it! How was it?
Have you ever heard of the ITA matrix?
No,
This is a flight aggregator.
I have not heard of it.
You've never heard of the ITA matrix?
No. What does this stand for?
The ITA Matrix is a powerful piece of software created by professors at MIT to search for flights. You're the flight searcher and experter.
Is it new?
The ITA Matrix was bought in 2010 for $700 million by Google.
Oh, for like the aviation nerds out there.
We won't call them nerds. You need to learn how to use the technology. Practice, get lost. Check back in a few days, try different ideas. When Allie goes to book a flight, it is never a simple process. She is monitoring prices, getting alerts, changing airports, possibly locations. The tool is only as good as the user. And don't listen to anyone who tells you to book a flight on kayak. Kayak. I can't, kayak. Now we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Do you actually save money when you book a ticket at the airport? First up, American Air. How much would that one be?
Now, it is going to be cheaper if you were to buy it online. I just want to tell you that.
Yeah, well, that's kind of what I was curious about, because I heard
Yeah.
some things that it's cheaper sometimes at the airport. Is that just false news?
Correct. So,
Okay.
here at the airport, we charge a $35 ticketing fee per ticket.
You heard that right, folks. It will cost you more to book with American. Next up, Spirit. At 9:20? Okay. 684? 600? Okay. Guys, just got back from the Spirit desk. They charged me $1 to talk to the agent. Can you believe that? Turns out that for each ticket we were going to buy to LAX, we were going to save $22 per ticket. So if you're flying as a family of 5 and you want to save over $100, then come to the airport and buy your tickets from Spirit. Now, I can hear Rick in the comments already. What about airport parking? What about gas? Well, Rick, walk to the airport like I did. Pure savings. All right, just checked with Southwest. You can buy tickets here at the airport with Southwest, but she assured me it was the exact same price. So we're looking November 1st, DWI to LAX. Let's check the details. I was reading somewhere on some blog they said on some airlines, or is that just a rumor?
It's like that
People are-
for Snap.
Okay,
We have the same price.
okay. So other airlines might, but you're not quite sure.
Some other airlines, they do have difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
What a mystery we have here at the airport. 3 different airlines with 3 different answers. One is going to be more expensive, American. One is going to be less expensive, Spirit. And one is going to be exact same price, Southwest. We were just informed that Frontier is closed for the rest of the day. They are offering no flights. So I'm not going to be able to get to the bottom of Frontier offering a discount. But if they are anything like Spirit, I'm willing to bet that there is a $22 online fee for booking. My advice to you to find the cheapest flight is to learn how to use the technology that you have. It could be Google Flights or some other cheap flight aggregator. That's all fine, but you have to learn how to set prices, set alerts, and then monitor the flights that you want to choose. Think about one-way tickets, round trips, cheaper airports. It's all about learning how to use the technology. There's no one quick tip flight trick about booking on a Tuesday at 10 a.m. It's all about getting better with learning the technology. If you think something different, drop a comment below. And if you found this video interesting, you will really like this one where I break down this packed travel book bag. Check that out here. And as always, really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.